Welcome back. This is Lab 7.6. One question. The acid test ratio. The acid test ratio just takes the ratio of the current assets, which are quick assets, so cash, short-term investments, accounts receivable in this case, not inventory because it's 2 steps away from collection, and prepaid expenses you can't actually usually collect those in cash. So it's a measure of how quickly we can actually pay off the accounts payable, the current liabilities, if we have to do it like right now. Because it takes a little while to get a merchandise inventory. We might be able to strong arm the accounts receivable and get them to pay more quickly, I suppose. But it's a more immediate test as opposed to the current ratio. The current ratio takes all the current assets divided by the current liabilities. The acid test ratio, or a quick ratio is another name for it, takes all of the quick assets and compares those to the current liabilities. So we're comparing two sums to one another. So I like to put in my brackets, and of course we're dividing the top by the bottom. So 90,400 is cash, and 71,000 short-term investments, and 36,300 that's the amount of the quick assets, and we're comparing that to the current liabilities, which include the accounts payable plus the salaries payable plus the income taxes payable, in this case 39550. And then we do it again. For 2013, 103,300 in cash. I did get that quite right. Plus 68,000 in short-term investments, plus 34,800 in accounts receivable. Current liabilities, accounts payable, plus salaries payable, plus income taxes payable. Alright, now it's asking us what is the measure. The acid test ratio is a measure of its debt paying ability, but it's not short-term debt paying ability. That would be the current ratio. It's immediate short-term debt paying ability. There is a more immediate measure, and that's just the cash ratio, taking cash divided by accounts payable, salaries payable, and income taxes payable. But the quick ratio is kind of between that and the current ratio. In this case, we went from 3.22 up to 3.34. Having more times, having a larger number is better for us this time, because it gives us more of a margin for error. So we could pay our current liabilities off 3.34 times now, rather than 3.22 in the previous year. Let's see what Lyrics thought. Lyrics agrees. We're done.